We are Jayendrians, bold and bright. With hearts united, we soar to new heights. AGNI burns with passion's flame. AKASH reaches far, in knowledge we claim. PAVAN'S winds of wisdom guide our way. PRITHVI stands strong, steadfast every day. Together we march with pride and grace. Our school, our home, a sacred place. In all we strive, in all we aim, we are the best in this, we own the name. Jayendrites lead with courage and care. In every lesson, the wisdom we share.
In unity and strength, we rise as one. With honor and grace, our journey's begun. With hearts full of thanks to the God above, for His blessings and endless love. We pray for wisdom, a future so bright. In every step, through challenge or bliss. In academics, in sports, in culturals, we shine. Jayendra's name, we hold it high. With courage and strength, we touch the sky. We are the best, together we achieve. We are the best in this, and we won't miss. We are the best, together we achieve.